Hi, I'm Chad Busenich, Engineering Manager with SuperSprings International. Today we have this 2008 Ford F-150 4x4 in the shop, and we're going to be installing our SuperSprings, the kit SSA5 with a mounting kit. It comes with the SuperSprings and shackles, and then the MTKT mounting kit comes with these plates to mount the spring to over the axle, along with all the hardware that's needed and installation instructions. Okay, so now that we have this vehicle in the air, sitting on jack stands with the front wheels chocked, we've got the axle hanging at full droop. And that's important because when you put the SuperSpring in under no tension when the axle's at full droop, or I should say less tension, so it'll be a lot easier to install. So we've got the axle hanging down at full droop. We're gonna start by installing our mounting kit. So this bridge piece first goes right here over the spring plate, directly over the axle. And then we're going to clamp it in place with these square U-bolts. And these get clamped in with this hardware right here. Do the same thing ahead of the axle. You want to get them tight, but you don't want to bend the plates right here. So if you start to see these plates start to flex a little, that's when you want to stop. Okay, now that we have the mounting kit bridge in place, we're going to install the SuperSpring. First thing we need to do is, this is how it comes out of the box. We're going to flip the shackles over like this, remove the roller bolts. We're going to take that off. We'll set it aside for right now. Do the same thing on this side. And we're just gonna set these aside for right now. Okay, so now we're gonna place the SuperSpring into position. Some of the springs do have a specific front and rear, and on those ones we have a label here saying which end goes toward the front of the vehicle and the side that faces out. It's also important to make sure that the threads of the bolts face out away from the frame to avoid any interference issues. So now we're going to just put the spring in place on top of the mounting kit bridge, just like that. It's not critical that the SuperSpring is centered directly over the axle. There's a lot of adjustment front to back and it will still work just fine. So it's good to get it in a position where the shackles are clear of any obstructions and the rollers are away from the ends of the leaf springs underneath, so they have plenty of room to move. Typically want about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of room for the roller to move back and forth. So we'll rotate the legs of the shackles down on either side of the leaf pack. And our shackles have multiple holes for the roller, and that is to adjust the amount of preload in the spring. So on a heavily loaded vehicle where you need to lift the truck more, you use the upper holes and that will preload it more. Or if you need less preload, then you can just use the lower holes. So we'll put the inner sleeve and roller between the legs of the shackle. We can leave that loose for now. We'll tighten it down once we have everything in place. On the front shackle, we're going to do the same thing. So now we're going to lock the spring in place on top of our mounting kit bridge. Bolts and washers is going to go here, and then we'll just push in position one underneath. Tighten these down. Again, just like the other plates, so it's nice and snug. Now that we have the spring in position and locked down, we're going to tighten up the roller bolts. So one thing we want to look at on this side of the truck, we have our emergency brake cables here. We don't want to have any rubbing or any interference here. This one should be fine, but when we put the truck down, this might come up and interfere here. So it's a simple fix. All we do is take this bracket here, we can bend it wherever we want to kind of move this and hold it up out of the way and get the clearance that we need. So now we're done with the driver's side. All we're going to do is the exact same process on the passenger side, and that concludes the installation of our SSA5 with the MTKT mounting kit on this 2008 Ford F-150.